Hi, good morning dear students and parents. Today we let us move the next video classes for 9th standard about the chapter line and angles. So today very occasionally special wishes to you all because today Monday is last Monday of 2020 December. So that's why now coming Monday is new Monday of for the 2021. So that's why very special wishes to today. Now let us we go into the line and angles dear students. So you should understand already in previous video classes about the line and angles, and you learn some theorems and also you learn some problems on the basis of theorems. So in this video class again shall we discuss video next some sums. So in this video classes we will let us discuss the some problems. So that is exercise 3.5. 3.2 exercise. First sum, find the value of x and y. They show that AB similar CD. AB similar CD. So, listen friends, you know that already parallel line and transversal line. You should learn the parallel line and how to draw the parallel lines, how to draw the transversal line, how we could identify the some angles like that: vertically opposite angle, interior alternate angle, exterior alternate angle, linear pairs of angle, like that. Various types of angles we could how to identify, learn in last video class. Okay. So according to that, this parallel line given the sum. A, B, C, D. This angle is 50 degree, and this one is X, and this one is Y, and this is 130 degree. So find the values of X and Y. AB parallel CD. So AB parallel CD. So in this problem, two lines are parallel. So here vertical opposite angles are always equal. We learned that in last video classes, means last class. So that's why if AB parallel CD, then y is equal to angle this one. So y is equal to 130 degree. Y is equal to 130 degree because vertically opposite angle. Next, when we know that value of y, you should find the value of x, right? So here y is equal to x because why? Because interior alternate angle. So therefore, what is value of y? 130 degree. So what is value of x? 130 degree. 130 is equal to x. So therefore, x is equal to 130 degree. The sum of two angles is what? 180 degree. 50 plus 130, 180. The sum of two angles is also 130. So what is value of x? 130. Like this, we have to find value of x and value of y. So dear students, AB parallel CD. Understand? Okay. So shall we go to next problems, dear students? If you understand this one, okay. So next problem, In figure 2.39, if AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF, three lines are parallel each other. AB, CD, EF. EF X, Y and Z. See here, Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to X. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. Listen dear students, in the adjoint figure, Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7 means Y is 3Y times 3 times of Y and 7 times of Z. So you should take instead of value of X. So Y is to Z is equal to 3x is to 7x. You should take here x is value of unknown. You should take it in the form of x. When you take the form of x, you should write 3x and 7x. So it is 3x, it is 7x. So y is equal to 3x and z is equal to 7x. You write 7x, right? So this is 7x and this one 3x, this is x. So now you find this is how much, this one is how much, this is how much, you like that, okay? So dear students, in the adjoint figure, here 3x plus x, how much, what is value of two interior angle? This one is 3x, this one is also 3x. X plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 60. 2 carry 4 5s are 25. What is value of x? 25 degree. So when you know that value of x is 25 degree, then you find y. Y is equal to what? 3x. Y is equal to 3x. 3 into 25. 25 3s are 75. 75. Now you find z. Z is equal to 7x. 7x is equal to 7 into 25. 27 into 25 means 175 degree. 175 degree. So like this we should find the value of y, z and x value. What is the value of x? X value is 25 degree. Y value is 75 degree. Z value 175 degree. How 175? 25 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 carry 3. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 17. 175 degree. So that's why we have to find the value of x, y, z by using the given ratio. So given ratio is what? Y is to z. So y is to z is equal to 3 is to 7. So when you should find like this, it is come to the given sum. Okay? Do you understand? So stop, pause the video and write this notes. Okay? So you don't ignore this one because it is very important for your test purpose. So that's why pause your video and write down neatly. If you have any doubts, once again you ask me. Okay dear students? Okay. Shall we move next one, sir? Okay. So third problem, dear friends. So dear students, in this figure AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD and FE or EF perpendicular to CD and GED 126 degree, GED this one. So this is 120, 130, sorry 126 degree, 126 degree. Find AGE, AGE. AGE and GF, GF and GF and FGE. We should find the 3 units. Okay. So here this is 120 degree and this one is GEF. GEF here is there. So in the adjoint figure or in the given figure, FED is equal to 90 degree because right angle, or FE perpendicular to CD, so hence it is 90 degree. Now you should find GEF. GEF is equal to FED minus FED minus FED, sorry, GED minus FED. So what is value of GED? 126 degree. What is minus FED? 90 degree. 90 minus 26, 126, so 36 degree. What is value of GF? So this value is 36 degree. Understand, dear students? How came the 36 degree for us? Because how is possible to find the GF? Subtract FED from GED. What is value of GED? 126 degree. What is value of FED? 90 degree. 90 minus 126, we get the value of is 36. So that's why GEF is 36 degree. Now one is over. GF. Second FGE. FGE. This one. Okay. So when we know that this one, this is also 90 degree because it is right angle because perpendicular. So that's why. So before AGE, this one. When we should find G, after that we find automatically AGE, this value. So therefore you find this one. You should understand this one, dear students. Shall I erase this? Okay. In the given figure, GFE is also 90 degree. So here we know that GFE plus FGE plus GF is equal to 180 degree. GFE 90 degree plus FGE we should find plus GF 36 degree is equal to 180. 90 plus 30, 126 degree. 126 degree plus FGE. So FGE is equal to 180. FGE is equal to 180 minus 126 degree. 180 minus 120 degree is FG is what? 180 minus 126. What is 54 degree, right? 54 degree. So this is 54. When this one 54, this is how much? You should find out. Okay, dear students. So AGE is what? This one 54. This is also 126 degree. This one 126 degree. Because AGE is equal to GED. Two angles are equal. Understand, dear students? Because interior alternate angle. That's why you should find the value of AGE, GF and FG. Like that way you should find the in 3 steps. You should find the 3 values in 3 steps. Do you understand? Okay. I hope you understand all the sums in this video class. So in next video class, let us discuss remaining sums. Okay? Are you understand? Okay, dear students, thank you. You take the homework and do it yourself, remaining sums. If you have any doubts, any questions, you raise through your 9th standard WhatsApp group and ask me. You take the solution. Okay? Okay, dear students, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.